Hello students, welcome back into my channel. In this video, I'd like to explain how to determine sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant in trigonometry. Actually, this material is for those students who want to learn regarding the basic concepts in trigonometry. Okay, let's get started. I'm going to start with a right angle triangle with the basic concept in trigonometry. Okay. Okay. Firstly, I will begin with the understanding of adjacent, hypotenuse, and opposite of an angle. For example, if angle alpha here, if angle alpha here, it means AC is the opposite of this angle. AB is adjacent, while BC is the hypotenuse. Okay. So how about if the condition like this? A, B, C, and beta here, sample. If beta, angle beta here, it means opposite of beta is AB, and BC is adjacent, while AC is hypotenuse. Okay, now I'm going to discuss problems, how we determine the values of sine, cosine, tangent, and so on. If this is angle alpha and this side is, for example, is ABC, AB is 4, BC 8, we have to determine AC first, hypotenuse. So hypotenuse equals square root 4 squared plus 8 squared. And it is 16 plus 64 equals 80. Square root 80 is square root 16 multiply square root 5. And it is 4 square root 5 because square root 16 equals 4. Now, sine alpha is sine alpha is opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite of sine alpha. Opposite of sine are like this. Hypotenuse, opposite of over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 4, 5. So opposite of alpha is 8 over hypotenuse 4, 5. 8 divided by 4 equals 2 over square root 5. Now we are going to simplify, multiply square root 5 over square root 5. It becomes 2 square root 5 over 5, or becomes 2 over 5 square root 5. Next, we're going to determine cosine alpha. I need electricity first bit. Right. Cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is adjacent over hypotenuse. This is alpha. It is adjacent equals 4. So 4 over 4 square root 5 divided 1 over square root 5. Simplify times square root 5 over square root 5 square root 5 over 5 or 1 over 5 square root 5. Next, tangent alpha. Tangent alpha formula is opposite over adjacent. Okay, and it is opposite over adjacent. It means 8 over 4. Opposite of alpha is 8 and adjacent is 4. It's 1. So it's going to be 2. Now, uh, to memorize this formula, you may using this abbreviation that so ka toa. Okay. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, and cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. Tangent is opposite over adjacent. Next, cotangent. To determine cotangent alpha is opposite of tangent alpha. 1 over tangent alpha equals 1 over 8 over 4. 1 over 2 or half. Next, secant alpha is 1 over cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is this one, 1 over square root 5 over 5 or 5 over square root 5. Okay, to simplify this, multiply by 5 over square root 5 over square root 5 becomes 5 square root 5 over 5 divided, and it is square root 5. Now, how about cosecant? Cosecant alpha is 1 over sine alpha. Sine alpha is this one, 2 square root 5 over 5. 1 over 2 square root 5 over 5. It is 5 over 2 square root 5. How to simplify? Multiply by square root 5 over square root 5. So it becomes 5 square root 5 over 2 multiplied by 5. Simplify, becomes square root 5 over 2 or half square root 5. Next. The next problem is about a triangle. Triangle. AB equals 8 and BC equals 10. Now we're going to determine angle alpha. Okay. And it means we have to find AC, hypotenuse. AC equals square root 10 squared plus 8 squared 100 plus 64, which is square root 164. Square root 164, it is uh, 4 times 41, or 2 square root 41. Sine alpha equals, this hypotenuse 2 square root 41. Sine alpha is 10 over 2 square root 41. And if you calculate, it is, in calculator, you can find this number 0.78087. Now, how we determine alpha? Alpha, we can determine through calculator, assign power -1 of 0.78087, or arcsine 0.78087, and we can find a number through calculator, this 51.34 degrees. Now, how about this? If this angle is beta, it means beta equals 180 minus 51 minus 90 first, because this 90 degrees, minus 51.34, and it is 38.66 degrees. How about if the triangle like this, right angle triangle, alpha here, and this angle is beta, okay, and this side AB, for example, this is 6, and AC is AC is 5. Okay, so first we have to calculate BC as hypotenuse. BC equals 6 squared plus 25, yeah, because 5 squared, okay, 36 plus 25, square root 1, yeah, 61, okay, so this is square root 61, right? So it means sine alpha, opposite over hypotenuse, 5 over square root 61. To simplify, times square root 61 over square root 61. 5 over square root 61 over 61, or 5 over 61 square root 61. So how about sine beta? Sine beta, opposite of beta is 6. 6 over square root 61. To simplify, multiply by square root 61 over square root 61. Becomes 6 square root 61 over 61, or 6 over 61 square root 61. Cosine. Cosine alpha. Cosine alpha. This is alpha. Cosine, it means adjacent over hypotenuse. So 6 over square root 61. Same with sine beta. Sine beta as well, 6 over 61 over square root 61. And if we simplify, it's going to be 6 over 61 square root 61. And cosine beta, look, this is beta. Cosine beta, it means 5 over hypotenuse, 5 over square root 61. 5 over square root 61. Okay. Same with sine alpha, this one. So it is 5 over 61 square root 61. Tangent. Tangent alpha is opposite over adjacent. This is alpha tangent. It means 5 over 6. So tangent alpha is 5 over 6. How about tangent beta? Tangent beta, this is beta opposite over adjacent. Okay, so 6 over 5. Next, how about after the tangent? Next, cotangent. Cotangent. Cotangent alpha is opposite of tangent alpha. 1 over tangent alpha, opposite of this fraction, 6 over 5. Cotangent beta, 1 over tangent beta, opposite of this fraction, 5 over 6. Secant, secant alpha, opposite of cosine alpha, 1 over cosine alpha. Cosine alpha is 6 over square root 61. It means 1 over cosine alpha, opposite of this fraction, square root 61 over 6, or 1 over 6 square root 61. Secant beta is 1 over cosine beta. Cosine beta is 1, opposite of secant beta is opposite of cosine beta, square root 61 over 5, 1 over 5 square root 61. Next, cosecant alpha, 1 over sine alpha. Opposite of sine alpha. Sine alpha is this one, 6 over square root 61. It means square root 61 over 6. 1 over 6 square root 61. Cosecant beta, 1 over sine beta. So sine beta, let me check this one, sine beta, 6 over square root 61. Means square root 61 over 6. Okay, this one. Oh, sine alpha, sorry. Sine alpha just now 5 over square root 61. This is supposed to be 5, not 6. Sorry. 5, no 5. Okay. So it becomes 1 over 6 square root 61. Now pay attention. Pay attention. Look, that cosecant beta, okay, cosecant beta Same with secant alpha. Okay. This is the result. You may compare secant beta equals cosecant alpha. You may compare the result. Right. Then cotangent alpha, same with tangent beta. You may compare the result. Cotangent beta, same with tangent alpha. You may compare the result. Cosine alpha, same with this one, sine beta. You may compare the result. Cosine beta, same with sine alpha. You may compare the result. Okay, students, that is our lesson in this video. Thank you for joining with me in this lesson. If you have any questions, you may email me through my email. Thank you for joining with me. See you